Obviously, that does not work out. That's not appropriate. But look at all that crap down in there. Much better without that tank there. Sweet. Check this out, guys. Oh, in-house decals. What? Oh my gosh, these are pretty cool. These are gold. I'm gonna try these Speed Culture gold decals on the Z and see how they look. I made some for the rocker. I think some of these hot boys might like some of these rocker decals. I think they're gonna look pretty dope. I like the gold of the calipers, but I like more of a gold and less of a yellow. So the calipers are gonna get repainted, and I'm gonna try this gold and red theme for a bit. But I need to try these decals out. I just made these last night. They look pretty sick. A little bit different than the original Speed Culture decals. A little more sleek, a little longer, a little thinner, no underline. I think they look super dope. A little bit of mineral spirits first. I'm gonna do the quarter glass one. I think those look pretty sick. You can't stick anything on wet mineral spirits. First one. I'm testing out different transfer tapes. I'm not sure how this one's gonna work, so. Oh, it's doing great. There it is. Let's do this. Put it on straight. It looks sick. Yo. I got on there a little bit crooked, damn it. I left too much plastic on the bottom, so I was up on the trim, so I couldn't get it as level as I wanted it to, but that looks pretty sick. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna try this rocker one now. Sort of just guessed on length. I wasn't sure where I'd put it. Like if I go real low or if I bring it up here, it's a little long for me right here, and there's kind of this dip, so it wouldn't be level or even. I think I'm gonna do it down here. Like that. Might be crooked AF, but that is rad as shit. For real. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. You guys like that? I think that looks pretty dope. Very subtle, but oh man, that's super cool. Let me know if you guys are interested in these. It almost looks like it's supposed to be there. That is crazy. That looks so good. It's just my opinion, but I mean, let me know if you guys like these. The window ones, the quarter glass ones, which I also use for brake calipers, those are $5 for a pair. So you get two of them, obviously, for the two front calipers or the two quarter glass windows. So again, $5 for a pair. I put them in an envelope and send it to you. The bigger ones, I'm gonna have to think about that. I didn't know if anybody would be interested in them, and I don't know actually if I was even gonna like them. Those are pretty sick. I guess you could put them on your back glass. You could probably put them centered on your windshield. They're 14 inches long, and I'd say maybe 1.5 inches in height, something like that. So they're pretty sleek, and I literally can do any color. So if there's interest, I'll think of a price. They do take a little bit. I'm not sure how I would mail them. I'd have to probably roll them up. So shipping actually probably going to be like $5 or $6 or something like that. Something stupid for some decals. So I have to consider that, but maybe 20 bucks. Don't hold me to it, but somewhere in there. I can't stand rattles. So this stuff's all gotta go. Screw. That'll make a rattling noise. getting her stripped down now. Not sure if this is the way I want to keep it or if we're just gonna, I don't know. Maybe we'll clean it up a little bit, make it look halfway decent. Maybe we'll put the cover back in. Or we're just gonna completely gut the whole damn thing. What do you guys think? I don't really like this crossbar being bare. It just looks bad. I wonder if we can drop that back in to place. I think that was what was rattling the most. That was annoying me the most. There, that's clean as hell. It doesn't fit very good. But from here, that looks sweet. Carpet actually is pretty heavy, so it's not a lot of weight reduction, but it cleans it up a little bit, makes it less ugly. Just gotta figure out what we're gonna do here. Tempted just to paint it black, and just so it kind of hides it. But we'll see. Maybe maybe this is an opportunity for some custom work. This vlog is ridiculous. I got the B-pillar pieces of trim painted today. That's a separate video on its own. A little bit of trash, but otherwise pure glass. Woo. The car covered obviously because I don't want to overspray all over it, but I did get a package from Amazon and we're gonna try it out. I totally forgot that we can order this. I'm glad. I got a little Mishimoto shift knob. The car is not even running right now because I have the clutch pedal disconnected. The lighting in here is pretty sick. It's like kind of a blue LED or something. I like the Nismo shift knob and I like the short shifter, but it's a little small for my hand. I like to shift like this rather than like this. I just wanted something a little bit taller, kind of give me a little bit more leverage. So this is like 3.5 inches, something like that. So I'm gonna try this out. There we go. For some reason the camera wasn't focusing. This is sick. It's polished black. Just gonna pop this one off. There we go. Not sure if this one just goes right on. No. Okay, I'm not a fan of this. Starting to review this product. It is universal, so there's kind of universal threads here, but there's 3 options for threads, but they're plastic. Oh, it's way higher than I was anticipating, but definitely get good grip on it. We'll run with it. I don't really like how it looks down here. You know, it doesn't come down far enough on the post, but we'll see. We'll feel it out. It's not final, but I'm pretty positive I don't want the small Nismo one. Thank God, it's finally here, guys. The key to unlocking 10 horsepower out of this little DE. Of course, that is this AFE power air filter that we've been waiting on. Oh, and don't even get me started on this. I'm pretty stoked we got some more stickers. I had originally ordered a filter from a, let's just keep it anonymous, manufacturer who said there were filters, at least 3 available in stock, and they could be shipped out right away and have them in just a couple of days. Well, turns out after the order was placed, a $100 order, by the way, they told me the next day that they're on back order and it's going to be about a 2-week wait. So I went with another maker, and I'm glad I found the AFEs anyways, because you guys know AFE is my preference. And the key to this filter, if you guys have been following along, is the inverted conical front. One hand nonsense. The inverted front cone. I'm seeing a problem. I made a measurement in the engine bay and I have about 9 inches of room. I'm looking at filter that's in the car already. This has a height of 8 inches, supposedly. Just looking here, we're at 8.5 to the rubber and over 9 inches for the full length. So apparently the height measurement only refers to the actual fabric of the filter. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, that was a bust. Show me what's wrong with your tailgate. Well, it seems to work fine. Okay, so it takes a lot of effort. Oh, yeah, that's not good. We got to replace these guys right here. Just got to pop at it like that.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Hold.
Okay, I am. Not for long. Not for long. I can't.
Open.
See that? Yeah.
Whoop.
Hurry up, man. Thanks.
Get her to line up. You can let go.
Thanks. Purple hand. Wow. Oh my God. Dad, look at my hand in the camera.
You dead. Whoa. It works.
Woo!
Challenge accepted. Enemy defeated. All right, these have cured for days now at this point, so it's time to wet sand these. I think I'm gonna finally close out this video, guys. I've covered a lot in this one, and it's just time to call her quits. They turned out pretty decent. I don't like the plastic trim stuff around the edges. It's starting to break and get brittle, so I'm probably just gonna order new ones of those anyways. But for now, they look decent. That one didn't turn out too bad either. I'm pretty pleased with how they look temporarily, but it's not a priority right now. It looks halfway decent. At least all the chunking out marks are gone. On the edges, that's all smoothed out. So I ordered a new filter. I think we got one coming that's actually gonna fit. So more stuff coming for the Z, more stuff coming for the Q. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. More to come. See ya.